Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about how you can add a few seconds of animation effects to your video. So all you need to do is select one of the clips here. Once you select one of the clips, on the top you see video speed animation. Okay. Once you click on animation, you see flash in, swoosh, click open, fade in. So these are all animation clips or features. So if you put your cursor here, see this is how this animation looks like. If you put your cursor here, this is how your animation looks like. So let's say for example, I like this animation clip. All I'm going to do is click on it. Hi. And once I click on it, see the animation has applied. If I play now, hi, there was like 1 second of animation that got played. See, let me play. Hi. So this is the this is called animation in. Now let's say for example you want animation out as well. So put your cursor here, timeline here. Now apply swoosh, which is out. Select out, and let's say for example you like this style. So please click on it. Didn't. Now I'm going to play this clip. First 1 second it is going to show flash in, and the last few seconds it is going to show smoke animation effect. Let's play. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that just didn't look right? I had the same problem. Okay, seems like the animation got applied. If you see here, last few seconds just didn't look. Yes, it is applied. So in this way, you can use these animation little clips if you find it interesting for your particular video. So you have various options. You have all these options for in, and you have all these clips for out, and you also have combo. You also have combo where you can use, where you can select all these things for your particular video. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.